Let's have division of complex numbers in rectangular form. We have here a formula stated, but let's try to have an example that would demonstrate how this formula was obtained. Say we have 5 minus 2i divided by 5 plus 5i. So for this one, the first step is to multiply the expression by the conjugate of our denominator. I have explained the concept of conjugation in our previous videos, and I will put the link in the description below. If you want to review it, you may check it. So the conjugate of our denominator is 5 minus 5i divided by 5 minus 5i. So if you will notice, if you will simplify this, 5 minus 5i divided by 5 minus 5i is simply equal to 1. We are not changing the value of our complex numbers here, but we are just going to change its form for us to simplify or to solve this division of complex number. So for the numerator, we will use FOIL method. That would be 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times negative 5i is negative 25i. Negative 2i times 5 is negative 10i. Negative 2i times negative 5i is positive 10i squared. Divide this by FOIL method again for the denominator. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times negative 5i is negative 25i. 5 times positive 5i is positive 25i. And negative 25i squared. So to simplify this, we know that the I squared is equal to negative 1. So we can change that into negative 1. Notice here, negative 25 plus 25i will just cancel to 0. So to simplify, we will have 25, this is positive 10 times negative 1, so that would be negative 10. 25 minus 10 is 15. So for the imaginary part, negative 25i minus 10i is negative 35i. Divide this by 25 minus 25 times negative 1 is equal to positive 25 plus positive 25, so that would be positive 50. We have here your answer, or simplifying further, we have 15 over 50 minus 35 over 50 times I. We can still simplify this. That would be 3 over 10 minus 7 over 10 I. Let's try to check this using the formula. Our final answer is positive 3 over 10 minus 7 over 10 I. Let's check whether using the formula we will arrive with the same answer. So for the formula, this would be A times C. That would be 5 times 5 plus negative 2. Your D is positive 5. This is the real part of the numerator. For the imaginary coefficient of our numerator, that would be A is 5. This should be negative. Your D is 5 minus C is 5, and your B is negative 2. Multiply this by I. For the denominator, that would be simply 5 squared plus 5 squared. Simplifying, we will have 25 minus 10. That would be equal to 15. And we have here 25 plus 10, that would be 35 times negative I is negative 35 of an I. The denominator is 25 plus 25, that would be 50. Further simplifying, we will have 3 over 10 minus 7 over 10 I. We arrive with the same answer using the long method. Here are some examples for you to work on. If you have questions, you may use the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.